Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have a special unboxing. This is the Hoyo De Monterrey Elegantes. This is a La Casa de Ban edition. Not sure why this sticker is not staying. And this is been purchased here in the UK. This is an EMS, English Market Selection, for those of you guys who don't know what that is. And this box is from April 2023. And these boxes, these cigars come in boxes of 10. Let's open up and have a look. So you've got this piece of Spanish cedar with the logo, and as these are EMS, which means that they have been imported to the UK, these are Hunters and Francow, you know you're getting something very special, and these were purchased by Cigars. There you have them. This cigar is a very special shape. It's called a taco shape, and there's a few cigars that come in this shape. The Cuabas, all of them come in this shape. Partagás Jefe Salomones, who comes in this shape. This cigar is a light body cigar, and is actually one of my favorite Hoyo De Monterreys. I really enjoy smoking these. The thing about these is they're quite awkward to light in the beginning, because obviously you only have to cut this side. This side you don't have to cut. It starts off a little bit and then it gets bigger. But the good thing about it is that when you do light them, I always found they light very evenly. In terms of flavors, they're very lightweight. I enjoy smoking these in the morning. They have very cedary flavor, a bit of a drop of a hint of coffee, and dark chocolate. But yeah, these are cigars I really enjoy smoking in the morning, like all Hoyo De Monterreys are. And these don't come cheap, but they're definitely a cigar that I think every cigar collector should have in his collection. They are something very special and very, very interesting. When people see you smoking these, they always raise an eyebrow, like, what is this cigar, what is this shape? And definitely a conversation starter. If you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.